How to unlink email from PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek, and in today's video we will simply learn how we can actually unlink our email address from our PUBG app. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have a linked email address and now you want to unlink it, it's very simple. After you open the PUBG application, from the bottom right you can see this little arrow icon. So you just need to go ahead and tap on this arrow button, and over here you'll find this option that says settings. So just click on the settings option. Now if you look closely over here, you have the option called email linked, and here you can see our currently linked email. If you want to change it, you just need to tap on the change button right next to the email link section. So just go ahead and tap on the change. But in order to change and unlink our current email address, we have to meet these three criteria. The first criteria is that this device needs to be logged in at least 15 days in the past month. So that is one of the first criteria. The second criteria is that this email address should be linked or should have been linked for at least 7 days before you can change and unlink it. And after that, you have to make sure that you are currently logged into that email address, because it will obviously ask you to verify. So these are the three main criteria that you should actually think of. Now once you fill in all those criteria, when you tap on the change button, it will ask you for the option to enter the new email address and then verify the code and then set your password. And in order to unlink your current email address, you have to add new email address and remove the previous one. That's simply how it works. Hopefully this video answered the question, but as you can see, we have to meet the three criteria. So after you meet the three criteria, you can go ahead and do that respectively. It's very simple, and that's all it takes to unlink email from PUBG. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.